Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I wanted to show you a sling bag currently wearing. One of my fellow YouTuber buddies, Anchor 440, did a video showing this bag, and I went and found it on Amazon, and then I threw it in my wish list. And I got to thinking about it, thinking, that might actually be pretty handy. So I'm going to break it out over on the table here and give you a closer look and also show you what I've got in it and some ideas for what you could do with it. Alright, so I still have the tag on here, which I'm going to remove. Get rid of that. Okay. Now, so right in front, you got two D-rings for whatever you're going to carry. You got a small zip pocket right here. You have this another zip pocket. Now this looks like it opens, but this actually doesn't open up. You just unzip it. And what I've got in here, you might remember my backup fire kit. I just moved it in the top here. So this pocket would probably be perfect for it, or whatever else you're going to carry. On the side here, it has a water bottle holder, which you can then zip up, tuck out of the way, so it's real low drag. And that's about as big a bottle as you can carry. It's just a water bottle. So, you know, that's not exactly in there the best, but you know, it might slip out or it may not, depending how active you are. But I just threw it on there. Now this has a kind of a concealed pocket in the back, which you can unzip. Like I currently have a Mora in here. But you know, I got a big hand. I mean, you can get quite a bit in here. And another thing, which I'll show you at home right now, or perhaps if you wanted to, you could just simply carry it in this top portion, and you can just pull it out. And you're ready to rock and roll. And with the extra pocket here, well, if you manage to go through your whole magazine, you could, in this pocket here, you could just have a backup mag. And you're good to go. Okay. Now, flipping it back over, when you open this up, I don't know if I mentioned this, there's another pocket inside here with a Velcro enclosure for the lid, and there's another rather large pocket. So maybe you're out doing some, like maybe some navigating. You could throw a compass in there. You know, I'd go to a park and just practice your bearing. And you know, I mean, here's an Altoid tin. I mean, you got, you know, quite a bit of space in here, so it's pretty spacious for that. So put that back real quick. The Velcro might not hold as well, but so far okay. Now I got one criticism. There's a zipper here, and I put something in here earlier, and I was zipping this up, and it split the zipper all through here. So I don't know if that's going to be a problem down the road, but so you may not want to stuff this too full, because all I did is I put the tripod in here, because I was going to point out, you know, if you're out taking pictures, you could, you know, carry a camera in here. But like I was saying, with your, you know, if you're mapping, you could bring some, well, this is probably a bad, you could bring some maps, and you can maybe practice your navigation. Or maybe you're going around and you're foraging mushrooms and, you know, wild edible plants. You could have a quick reference guide to reach in and grab. And I got another Olympic Peninsula kind of a map / guide here. Just, you know, as an example, just throw some things in here. It's got a interior zipper compartment right here for just little items. It actually goes down pretty deep. You could zip that down, you know, spot for a notepad, place for 2 pens. On the other side here, it's got this pocket again. So it doesn't have a ton of space. But you know, if you're just out at the park, like I am today, or you're just out on a short walk around the block, you could carry a few things. I think it might make a decent range bag as well. Put your items in here. Your camera tripod. Let's see if I can get the zipper to... It may have just been a fluke for the zipper, but it does concern me. But then again, it was only $23.99 on Amazon. And it had other colors. But, I mean, when I added it to wish list, it had other colors. But then when I went back later, all the color options, it was only this color and then another style bag, which I didn't like as well. See, that's already popped up like that. But I think just for hauling around to the park, I think that's pretty decent. You know, for 24 bucks, you could always add with the D-rings here, you could always add a water carrier if you wanted to. And I thought maybe that was a hydration hole, but I don't think it is, because unless you take a knife and you cut it, you could probably put a small bladder in there and then use it as a hydration. But I don't know if water takes up a lot of room, so I don't know if I want to go that route. And then there's a D-ring. There's a D-ring on the bottom here, so you can unhook this part, the shoulder strap. But then it's actually stitched in on top, so you couldn't remove it unless you cut it, which I wouldn't do. Then there's a little grab handle. I don't think it's too bad though. So, a little carry option for you if you wanted to take it. Maybe carry a small stove in here, some small fuel. You know, do a hot brew or a small lunch, or just carry some snacks. I mean, you got plenty of space. You know, plenty of pouches for snacks and foodstuffs. I didn't add this paracord. All this paracord came on here. This zipper pull was already on there. I mean, you can carry a little bit of water with you. Not too shabby. From NICGID, I think that's how you say it. NICGID. I'll link the Amazon down below, so if you want to go to give it a look. I can't guarantee what colors they'll have available, because when I bought this, they only had navy, this dark color, which I didn't mind the color, so I grabbed it. I would have gotten either the black or green if I had my choice, but I think it's... Well, there you go. For 24 bucks, I call that a win. Just out on a walk. Pretty high speed, low drag. And I'm a big guy, you know, as you can see, you know, and it goes around me just fine. And you can, it's got an adjustment right here, so you could, you know, really cinch this up to where you find it most comfortable. You know, and it not being very big, it'd probably be good for like little kids or something too. Give them their own little bag, a little water bottle to carry. Hardly, I don't even really notice the weight at all. So, plus, like I said, it might make a good range bag if you wanted to go that route. You might want to check your state laws for carry options if you don't want to get in trouble. Because, you know, God forbid you try to defend yourself or just go to the range to plink a little. So, anyway, as always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.